Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify admin apps for secure OAuth token renewal. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Shopify admin apps for secure OAuth token renewal, start by logging into your Shopify partner dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to your apps section. Select the app you wish to update from the list. In the app settings, locate the OAuth section. Review your current OAuth configuration details. Identify the areas that require updates for secure token renewal. Next, ensure you have an updated redirect URI set. This URI is crucial for the token renewal process. Modify any existing redirect URIs to reflect the latest security protocols. Now, update the app permissions requested during the OAuth handshake. Ensure the permissions align with the functionality of your app. Once adjustments are made, save your changes. It's important to regenerate your OAuth token at this point. Use the new redirect URI to initiate the OAuth flow for obtaining the updated token. After successfully retrieving the token, implement it within your app's authentication flow. Test the updated flow to confirm that the secure OAuth token is working correctly. Make sure to monitor the app logs for any errors during token renewal. Keep your app documentation updated with the new OAuth procedures. Lastly, inform your team and users about the changes for smooth transitions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.